In the equipment manufacturing industry, coatings are not just a decorative finish. They are a critical anti-corrosion barrier that directly impacts a product's service life. A high-quality coating not only extends the lifespan and performance of equipment, but also safeguards your brand reputation. However, many well-built machines suffer from corrosion, paint peeling, or fading, leading to customer complaints, frequent breakdowns, and even costly downtime. These surface issues gradually erode business opportunities, strain partnerships, and turn into a growing burden for the company. How to solve this? Mengneng Coatings provides a complete anti-corrosion coating system for the manufacturing industry. Surface preparation plus primer plus optional intermediate coat plus top coat, tailored to different corrosion environments and operating conditions. Applications include industrial pumps, industrial valves, construction machinery, paper-making machines, agricultural machinery, and food processing equipment. Over the past decade, we focused on the development, manufacturing, sales, and coating services for both industrial and marine anti-corrosion systems. We've continually improved our products, upgrading from the second generation all the way to our latest graphene coating series. In addition to corrosion protection, we've also developed functional coatings for specific use cases, such as food-grade solvent-free coatings, thermal insulation and heat-blocking coatings. Our customers span multiple industries, including oil and gas, energy and power, industrial manufacturing, and infrastructure. All coatings comply with ISO 12944 international standards and have passed third-party testing. Our fourth-generation graphene-enhanced coatings have undergone 4,200 hours of cyclic aging tests, 4,200 hours of cathodic delamination resistance. They offer proven durability, weather resistance, and corrosion protection for 25 years or more, helping you maintain the appearance and structural integrity of your equipment in even the harshest environments. Whether your challenges involve corrosion, high temperatures, or abrasion, Mengneng Coating delivers tailored solutions to help you protect key assets, reduce maintenance costs, extend equipment lifespan, improve operational efficiency. Mengneng Coatings, longer-lasting protection for your equipment, greater value for your brand. Contact us today for your customized coating solution.